Hello everyone, welcome to Object Oriented Programming. Now, in last video, I already teach you memory management functions or memory allocation functions. There are two types of memory allocation functions. We have already learned four types of memory allocation functions, that is malloc, calloc, free and reallocate. Now, those all are the functions in C programming. But how can we allocate a memory in C++? So in C++, memory management operators are there. In university exams, in external exams, the question can be list memory management operators and explain them in brief. That question can be asked in exam, right? Now, memory management operators. There are two types of memory management operators in C++, right? C programming में कितने functions थे? 4. यहाँ पे कितने operators हैं? 2. Let me clear first. C programming में functions थे, यहाँ पे operators है for memory allocation and deallocation, right? So there are two operators in C++. First one is new and second one is delete. Now these two memory management operators are used for allocating and deallocating memory or freeing memory block in efficient and convenient way. Now let me first explain new operators. The new operators in C++ is used for dynamic storage allocation. It means the new operator is used for memory allocation. These operator can be used to create object of any type. It means we can create variable of any data type like integer, float, double, character, right? Now to allocate memory, syntax is data type pointer variable equal to new data type. Now here in this statement, new is a keyword and the pointer variable is a variable of type data type, right? So here data type is any data type, pointer variable is a variable of data type and new जो है वो keyword है. Now for example, integer is a data type, pointer variable is start with asterisk sign, that is star a equal to new integer. So in this example, we can allocate memory like this: integer a equal to new integer 20, right? So here pointer variable point to the starting memory, बिगिनिंग में, पर्टिकुलर मेमोरी में बिगिनिंग में पॉइंट करेगा ये पॉइंटर वेरिएबल. सो द न्यू ऑपरेटर allocate sufficient memory to hold the object of data type integer and this statement return a pointer to its starting point, right? The pointer variable hold the address of memory space allocated, राइट जितनी भी मेमोरी एलोकेटेड हुई है द पॉइंटर वेरिएबल क्या स्टोर करेगा? एड्रेस ऑफ दैट मेमोरी. अंडरस्टूड, राइट? नाउ दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मेमोरी एलोकेशन इन C++. नाउ how to deallocate that memory that is allocated by new operator, right? So for that the delete operator in C++ is used for releasing memory space when the object is no longer needed, right? So once a new operator is used, it is efficient to use the corresponding delete operator for releasing of memory, right? We can use new operator for memory allocation, and if we allocate memory by that new operator, then we can freeing or release that memory by delete operator. Now syntax is delete pointer variable, like जब हमने न्यू ऑपरेटर से मेमोरी एलोकेट की थी तब पॉइंटर वेरिएबल a लिया था. So we can write delete operator, delete keyword and then pointer variable a. So simple. By using this statement, we can release the memory which is already allocated by new operator. Now let me explain this new operator and delete operator by example in Turbo C. Now here is the structure of C++ program. If I want to allocate a memory to a variable, then first I have to declare pointer variable with asterisk sign. So here I write integer *p, that is pointer declaration. If I want to allocate a memory for 5 element, then I have to write this pointer variable equal to new operator and then integer bracket में memory allocation, total number of memory, that is 5. So here allocating space for 5 integer, right? Now if I want to enter element in this p pointer variable, then I can write enter element and then new line. Then for 5 element, here I want to accept 5 elements, so I have to write for loop, that is I equal to 0, I less than 5 and I plus plus, and I have to declare one variable, that is integer I, right? Now just क्या करना होगा मुझे, मैंने मैसेज ऑलरेडी सी आउट में प्रिंट कर दिया है, सिर्फ सी इन थ्रू वैल्यू एक्सेप्ट करनी है. सो आई हैव टू राइट पी ब्रैकेट में आई, राइट. हमने 5 एलिमेंट का पॉइंटर वेरिएबल बनाया है, तो आई थ्रू हम इंडेक्स थ्रू हम वैल्यू एक्सेप्ट करेंगे, राइट. नाउ यहाँ पे फॉर लूप कंप्लीट एंड इफ आई वांट टू डिस्प्ले दिस 5 एलिमेंट, then I display element by using message elements are, then I write for loop cout and that pointer variable with index of I, and then I write endl, that is new line character, right. So यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, न्यू से मेमोरी अलोकेट की. मेमोरी अलोकेट कितनी की, 5 एलिमेंट की और 5 एलिमेंट जो हमें एंटर करना है वो उसकी टाइप क्या है, इंटीजर है, राइट. सो यहाँ पे दिस लूप थ्रू आई कैन एंटर एलिमेंट एंड फॉर बाय यूजिंग दिस लूप आई कैन डिस्प्ले 5 एलिमेंट, राइट. Now if I want to release that memory which I have already allocate by new keyword, so for that I have to write delete p, right. So what happen here, memory जो जितनी allocate हुई है वो release हो जाएगी, right. Now let us run the program. Enter element like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 एलिमेंट हमने एंटर किए एंड 5 एलिमेंट आर डिस्प्लेड, राइट. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, राइट, दिस प्रोग्राम. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आया है तो आप घर पे प्रैक्टिस करना, राइट. क्लियर, दैट इज़ द प्रोग्राम ऑफ न्यू ऑपरेटर एंड delete operator. New operator is used for memory allocation and delete operator is used for memory deallocation, right. Now let me explain another question, that is difference between new operator and malloc function in C++. Now we already learned malloc function in previous video and today we learn new operator, right. So let me explain new operator versus malloc function. Now here malloc functions and new operators both are used for same purpose, but still they have some differences, and the differences are, first one is new operator. New is an operator whereas malloc is a library function, right. जब if we want to use malloc, then we have to include stdlib.h header file, but we had already seen that when we used new operator, then we don't need to include some header file. So new is operator and malloc is a function. Now second difference is New allocate memory and call constructor for object initialization, but malloc allocate memory and does not call constructor. Now what do you mean by constructor? Right, constructor is used for memory allocation, and that is by default call when we create object. Like in program I have declared pointer p variable equal to new p फिर ब्रैकेट में 5 लिखा था, राइट। तो यहाँ पे जो है कंस्ट्रक्टर कॉल होता था फॉर इंटीजर वैल्यू। सो ऑब्जेक्ट को कितनी मेमोरी एलोकेट करनी है वो इनिशियलाइज होता था वहाँ पे, ठीक है। बट मैलोक में हम डायरेक्टली फंक्शन में वैल्यूज़ दे देते थे, वहाँ पे कोई कंस्ट्रक्टर कॉल नहीं होता था। Now third one is return type of new is exec data type while malloc return void. When we used malloc function, then what malloc function return? That return void data type, and after that we have to convert that void return type into particular data type like integer, float, right? But in new keyword no need to convert that data type because that return the exact data type, right? न्यू में क्या होगा, जो डेटा टाइप का हम वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करते हैं वही रिटर्न करता है, वाइल मैलोक क्या करता है, वॉइड डेटा टाइप रिटर्न करता है। सो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट वॉइड टू पर्टिकुलर डेटा टाइप, राइट। नाउ fourth one is new operator is faster than malloc function because an operator is always faster than a function. फंक्शन को हम कॉल करेंगे तो उसकी डेफिनेशन पे जंप होगा, वाइल यहाँ पे न्यू ऑपरेटर में ऐसा नहीं है। तो ऑपरेटर्स जो है वो ऑलवेज फास्टर्स होते हैं एज कंपेयर टू फंक्शन। सो दोज आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन न्यू ऑपरेटर एंड मैलोक फंक्शन इन C++, राइट। शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में ये आता है, दैट्स वाई आई प्रिफर दिस क्वेश्चन इन वीडियो। सो हियर वी कंप्लीट the topic memory allocation in C++, right? That is, we have to use two keyword, we have to use new operator for memory allocation, and for release memory we have to use delete keyword, right? I hope you understand today. This topic is easiest topic. अगर आपको ये टॉपिक में समझ में नहीं आया है तो प्लीज़ सी प्रोग्रामिंग में मेमोरी एलोकेशन कैसे होती है वो पहले देखो। मैलोक फंक्शन, रीएलोक फंक्शन, कैलोक फंक्शन वो पहले देखो, वीडियो प्रीवियस वीडियो फर्स्ट देखो, उसके बाद आपको ये प्रिफर करना है, राइट। होप यू अंडरस्टैंड टुडे। थैंक यू।